Banky special.
Yeah.
Pure deliciousness.
Pure deliciousness, man. My name is Banky, man. Everybody calls me Banky. That's the name that I got from my grandmother when I was young. I'm coming out here after 30 years. Yeah, I ain't got nothing, but I'm gonna have something because I'm rich in personality, you know, and I'm rich in love. My family love me, and that's really all that counts. Yeah, only them know what their ulterior motives is. Y'all see, I'm trying to finish this video for y'all, and I get caught out here in the rain. This is the love that I have for TVP, man. I'm making this video out here in the rain. I'm up under the umbrella and everything, man, but it's pouring down, raining. I was trying to be out here making videos so I could get this fresh air, and it just started raining on me, man. But anyway, like I was saying, you know, man, it goes down in there in a big way, But like I say, dude, man, he got caught up into messing around with the transgender CO. Crazy dude, man. But this dude in particular, he had no cut card. I'm not even gonna lie to you, he had no cut card. He was crazy, he was freaky. He'll let you know he was freaky. He had no shame in his game. He'll tell you he was a freaked out dude. You know what I'm saying? He was so freaked out, he would get and be reaching out. He had got on the app, get his people on the street to get him on the app where he could connect with gay and bisexual dudes that was willing to come visit people in prison, just so he could go over there and visit them in prison and have somebody to visit him. And he go over there, man, and I can remember I was over there one day, man, with my mom, man, and it was crazy because he had this, no offense, y'all don't jump on me, but he had this great big homosexual in there, man. He looked like a linebacker, you know, and he was in there kicking it with them and eating and sitting there and talking in the visiting room just like, you know, they was a regular couple. You know what I'm saying? He had no shame. He know dudes on the yard and dudes back in the back was gonna be talking about him and laughing at him or whatnot. He ain't care because, like I say, he had no shame. You see what I'm saying? And at the end of the visit, man, you know, usually people get up, they hug their people, man. If your girl in there, you hug your girl, you get your one kiss in and everything and squeeze and let her go on out the door. So we over there, we tripping, me and my mom like, I'm like, man, I know this dude is not gonna get up and hug this big dude, man. The CEOs over there looking, they wondering the same thing. I remember this one female CEO, she worked in the visit room all the time. You know what I'm saying? Everybody knew her. She was cool as I don't know what. I ain't gonna say her name, but she was cool. She know who she is, and anybody was on that way know who I'm talking about. But she even said when I came in there, she looked at me, she said, how you doing today? I said, she said, yeah, your mom over there. I said, okay. And she said, you see who else over there? And she was laughing and tripping over to herself, right? She was like, She said, boom, but she tripping, everybody tripping. Man, this dude ain't had no shame in this game, man. When the visit was over, he got up, not only did he hug him, he kissed him. He kissed him in front of everybody, so that let you know right there, he had no cut card, he was not ashamed of what he do. So since he ain't ashamed, I ain't gonna be ashamed to call his name. His name was Wally Wah. That's what they call him, Wally Wah. And Wally Wah was freaked out, you hear me? He probably out here on the street somewhere in there today because I don't think he had that much time, but Wally Wah was freaked out. Wally Wah ended up being the dude that convinced the transgender to be, you know, corresponding with him, so they writing letters back and forth. Now, in his mind, he gonna say that he probably was trying to, you know, get the transgender to bring in some drugs, this, that, or the third, because a lot of them dudes in there do anything to get high, and that's one of the main motivations and the main goals in there for them to get high. So that's what he would say, but at the same time, we done already seen how you work, we seen how you operate, we seen how you move, we know you wanted more than just some drugs. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it funky. But he was messing with the people and they writing back and forth, whatever, and they was doing their thing, and then he had even had the people phone numbers, so he was actually calling the people on, I guess, another line that the people had created just for him to call. But being that Wally Wah being to so much stuff and he's so crazy and he talks so much, he always run his mouth. He's a man, the man is, if his mouth ain't moving, man, he ain't talking and he lying. Whatever coming out of his mouth, he lying. That's all he do. Just spin stories and say all these crazy fantasies and all this bunch of BS. He just you meet these type of dudes in prison. You know everything he's saying is false. You know everything he's saying you don't want to hear, but you just go ahead and listen to him, because if you don't, he gonna keep on talking anyway. He one of them type of dudes. But anyway, he ended up having the people phone him, and then he running around, running his mouth, telling people, yeah, I got them peoples, man. They give me the, bring me this stuff in. I'm gonna have this in a minute, and I'm gonna have that. Let me borrow this, or let me borrow that. He trying to borrow stuff on what he saying is, getting ready to come to him, which is already a no-no. Why would you tell somebody give they bring you something, let alone tell somebody that you got a CO, even if it's a transgender? Because in penitentiary, man, word travels faster than the telegram. You know what I'm saying? And somebody gonna get jealous, somebody ain't gonna like it, somebody gonna think it's disgusting, somebody gonna tell on you. So you're on the road to sabotage. And that's what he did. He ran his mouth too much. And he was doing that, and then the people ended up running down on him, ran down on the lady, or man, or whatever you want to call him, and questioned him about it. They stood their ground. They said, I have no business with him besides the fact that he's an inmate and I'm an officer, da-da-da-da-da. They pulled him, put the shake up on him, tell him, you going to jail, you be locked up, they lock him up in jail, whatever. Tell him, yeah, man, the CO already told us they messing with you. They already told us you might well go ahead and tell it, woo. Man, that man started singing like the OJs, man. He started singing like Eddie LeVert. He told the people, yeah, I got their number. No, they was supposed to bring me this. They trying to set me up. They came at me. I've been talking to them, whatever. I show and prove that if y'all transfer me, because now everybody going to be looking at me like I'm a snitch. Everybody, y'all got to transfer me. If y'all transfer me, I prove to you. Because they just want to fire the officer. That's their main goal. Once they find an officer that's corrupt, or they feel like it's violating the rules, they just want to get rid of the officer. So they're willing to take that sacrifice with you because you already locked up. They just want to get rid of the officer. So he provided they took him over to the watch command office, to my understanding, and he provided the phone number and called the people on the phone and let the people answer the phone, and that was their justification for firing the transgender, and they shipped him off the compound. But just like I say, in penitentiary, there ain't no loyalty, ain't no love. Some of the officers knew this information because they work for the administration too, so they came back and put it out on the yard. Yeah, man, Why told on officer says the transgender, da. That's why he got trans. So now his name is even more mud than it was at first. It ain't like he had a whole lot of respect because of what he was doing in his lifestyle. But now he even got less respect than he had before because of what he did. Now, even though it's a transgender and even though it's an officer, the rules still apply. You don't snitch, because if you snitch on them, you would snitch on me, and you would snitch on him, and you would snitch on him. So you just don't snitch no matter what. You put yourself in a situation, you got to wear it like a man. You choose to get involved in that. When the weight come down, you got to take the weight. And you never, ever tell on somebody that's trying to help you. And especially somebody trying to help you when you in the pits of hell. You know what I'm saying? No matter who it is. So that's the way he was viewed, man. That's the way he left up off the camp, man. It spread all over the institution, man. It was like wildfire, man. Everybody knew the news. Walla was a snake, man. He snitched. He told on the peoples. He over there messing with the old people, with his old freak self. Then he told on the people. But everybody wasn't surprised because everybody knew what his character was and everybody knew what he do. Once you see him in the visiting room with another man kissing another man, it looked like, what I'm saying, Mean Joe Green. what won't you expect him to do? I expect him to do anything. You see what I'm saying? And that's what he did, anything. So yeah, man, but that's how it was. That's how a lot of people, like I say, end up get caught creeping in the penitentiary. Them COs, from transgenders to nurses, to male nurses, to male officers, to female officers. It ain't no way they're gonna be in there with all of them men and tell them ain't nobody attracted to them. Ain't nobody gonna make them cross the line. That is a lie. You know what I'm saying? That is a lie. I'm telling you because I've seen it. You know what I'm saying? I've never been on an institution, I say that again, I've never been on an institution where an officer has not got caught up. A nurse has not got caught up. A counselor has not got caught up. A secretary has not got caught up. They all gonna get caught up because they realize at the end of the day we all human. You know what I'm saying? And human nature will take over. If you're attracted to somebody, you're attracted to somebody, whether they locked up or not. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, this is just a little quick one, man. I'm out here. I'm coming down up off of this corona, man, and I'm trying to fight it up off me, man. So I know this video right here might be all over the place because I was just talking as this stuff came up in my mind. But hopefully y'all like it. You know, I'm getting better. I'm getting stronger every day, you know, and I keep pushing these videos out, man. The better I get, the more information I have for y'all, man. My brain is a little scattered right now, man. Y'all got to bear with me. But I just want to make sure y'all have some content, man, because y'all look forward to it, and I look forward to giving it to y'all. So y'all be safe out there, man. Be smart, make good decisions, man, and duck them hooks. Bang! It look like I'm coming back, y'all. Let me know, man. Let me know. I might be back. I might be back. Y'all hold tight out there. Y'all be safe, man. Look out for each other, man. Peace.
The Banky special.
Yeah.
Pure delicious.
Pure deliciousness, man.
My name is Banky, man. Everybody calls me Banky. That's the name that I got from my grandmother when I was young.
I'm coming out here after 30 years. Yeah, I ain't got nothing, but I'm gonna have something because I'm rich in personality, you know, and I'm rich in love. My family love me, and that's really all that counts.